Hey y'all, welcome to Sweet Tea and Butterflies. Today we are making a little mini gnome sleigh. Well, it's a little sleigh with a little gnome driving it. We did this on one of our our weekend getaways, our craft weekends. I had gotten this sleigh at a yard sale. I just thought it was super cute, and I knew I could flip it and do something unique with it. So here I'm putting in some scraps of floral foam. I decided just to use scraps rather than throw them away. And y'all, pardon me, I'm all stuffed up. I am a mess today, but that's okay. So here we've got, I'm just putting in, pieces of that floral foam. So I have something to adhere or to stick the flowers and stuff in. So here I had a little, I had a couple packages of these picks actually. Some had stars and some had snowflakes on them. But it took quite a bit of maneuvering and glue to get that to stay where I wanted it. Y'all, the struggle is real some days, for sure. So here I'm putting the little gnome in there. I originally used hot glue for him, but he kept coming loose, so I ended up going in with some super glue and used it instead. Just adding a couple of little poinsettias. These were the smallest ones I could find in our stash. We very much created as much as we could from our stash. Here I'm adding a little bit of Spanish moss in there to kind of cover up some of the floral foam and to make a spot for me to put the little packages that I made in there. I'm going to try real hard through this voiceover not to sniffle or sneeze too much, but it may be less voiceover than what I normally do. And I added a few little pit berries here and there just to add some little pops of color and stuff in there. If you like what you see on our channel, please click that subscribe button. Hit the little bell so you get notified every time we upload new content. Lord, y'all, I can't talk today. Please comment and share as well. And like. All of this helps our channel grow, and we so appreciate every one of you that shares our content, watches it, keeps us going. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. If you are new here, we definitely would love for you to join our little family here. So here I'm painting some of these little wood blocks from Dollar Tree to make them look like packages that we're going to put in the back of the sleigh. I didn't make you watch me paint all of them. I did 3 green, 3 red, 2 gold, and 2 silver. And this is like probably the 5th time I've tried to get this video done. The original video recording was in a format that my editing program did not recognize, so I had tried several different things and finally found something that works. I had to convert the video so that I could actually use it in this program. But I did 2 coats of each color on each of these blocks. Now with the with the gold and the silver, I used the gold metallic paint, and then I used silver metallic paint for the silver. And here in a few minutes you'll see that I also, after that dried, I came back in with some gold and silver glitter to put over the top of it, so that it had just that extra little shimmer in there. Social media. We're on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and we have our own little craft collaborative group on our website. We'd love it if you'd become a member and add some of your content and some of your ideas. We'd love to get to know each and every one of you. So here you can see where I'm putting the glitter on there now. Unfortunately, the video doesn't do it justice as far as that goes. You can't really see the glittery on there. So here I'm breaking apart one of these braided cords that has like a shimmery white, it might even be silver, a red and a green strand to it. I'm going to take 3 of these blocks and turn them into little packages with bows on them. Yeah, the struggle was real with this too. I did figure out a better way to do it. It just took me a few minutes. But I didn't cut this piece long enough to be able to actually tie it, so I had to finagle it. That's what we do in the crafting world, right? We finagle it when it don't work the way we want it to. So I just took and flipped the, made my little loops and kind of glued them down on the top. The next one I actually tied because I cut it long enough to be able to do that. Or the next 2 I actually tied. This next one goes a little bit easier. I made sure that I cut it long enough. that I could actually tie the bow on there. And I don't know if this is the one that I wised up and realized that if I tack it on the bottom with some hot glue it would stay in place, or if I figured that one out on the last one. Must have been the last one. Maybe. I don't know. It's been a bit. I've slept a little bit since then, and, well, let's face it, my head is all plugged up, and I'm not sure that I'm completely thinking straight today. So in pops one of little Dee Dee's little cups that she made. We were both working on projects, and she handed that to me to go put up where we had them set to dry, and thought I'd pop it in there and show you. And here's where I'm laying down putting the packages in there. I'm putting all the plain blocks first that I didn't put a bow or anything on. And then I'll put the ones with the bows on top. Just trying to make sure that they're all secure and aren't going to go anywhere. I've really enjoyed starting to make like the more miniature stuff for the tiered trays. I'm assuming that my fascination with that is because I live in a tiny house, so I really don't have room to decorate, especially like for Christmas and do the whole Christmas tree and all of that. So my tiered tray is about the only thing that I've got room to decorate. And I've got it in the middle of my coffee table. So let me know what you guys think. Do you like the little minis, the tiered tray decor and stuff? Or do you prefer the bigger stuff? Leave me a comment and so that kind of get an idea of what everybody likes. Here's where I'm starting to put in the little packages with the bows on them. Fun. And I'm not, oh, let's see, what was I doing there? Oh, must have had to reach over and grab something. Probably ran out of hot glue in my gun. That happens frequently. So I put these 3 packages here, and then I had 2 little Christmas light flat back buttons that I put on the other 2 plain packages that are showing there. And here she is, nearly complete. I think I added one last thing on there after this. Put a little holly flat back button on there. Now for the final reveal. Thank you all for watching. I hope you hit the subscribe, like, share, comment, all that good stuff.